Now we are going to see how you can model an egg using two different methods. I have activated the screencast keys so that you can see the keys I'm pressing here. I will start by deleting the cube, add a sphere, mesh, UV sphere. I will zoom in a bit, tab into edit mode, select the upper vertex, the top vertex, turn on the proportional editing, and then grab on Z axis the upper vertex selected. I will adjust by proportional editing to make the form of an egg. I'll confirm the operation, tab out of edit mode, shade the egg to smooth. I will now rotate it on Y axis by 90 degrees and then grab it on X axis so that I can model another egg. To model the second egg using a different method, I will add a sphere again, UV sphere. I will rotate it on Y axis by 90, rotate Y 90. I will add a lattice, and scale it in a way that it can have almost the same size as the sphere. Then tab into front view and size it correctly. This way, I will choose the sphere, go to modifier, add a lattice modifier, and then choose the lattice. I will choose now the lattice, go into edit mode, select the right 4 vertices. I will turn on the toggle X-ray to be able to choose all the vertices. Press B for box select and then choose the 4 right vertices. I will grab them to X. I have first of all to switch off the proportional editing, grab them to X, and then scale them. There. I'll tab out of edit mode, select the egg again, and shade it smooth. I will switch to camera view, bring back the other egg, grab X, and then select the egg, apply the lattice modifier. Then I can now delete this lattice. I will grab the egg on Y axis and grab this one a bit on X axis. There I have the 2 eggs. Now I'm going to apply a bit of color so that you can see how it looks like an egg really. New. Then I just apply simple color. I don't go much into details of texture. Let me turn on the material preview mode so that you can see. I will select the second egg and apply the same material. Let me grab the 2 eggs and and make them bigger so that you can visualize them, you can see them properly. Well, these are two eggs modeled differently. Thank you.